Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to observe one of the important sum, that is write the given expressions as log n and find their values wherever possible. That means first we have to write these two expressions as a single log, nothing but log n, and then find the value if it is possible. So we are going to observe the first one. Log 2 plus log 5 is the given expression. In this log 2 plus log 5, sum of two logarithms. You know the first logarithmic log of xy equal to log x plus log y. These are sum of two logarithms can write as a single logarithm log xy. So here in x place there is 2 and y place there is 5. So we can write this one log 2 into 5 log xy. Log x plus log y can write log xy. That means log 2 plus log 5 equal log 2 into 5. Log 2 into 5 is nothing but log 10. Here are there any base? No. If base not given, let's take the 10 as a base. It's a natural logarithms. So we can take 10 as a base. Already we know log a base a equal to 1. Now this given expression changed into single logarithm, log n form. It is possible to find the value of this one because log a base a equal to 1. So we can write this is 1. Finally, log 2 plus log 5 equal to 1. Observe the second sum. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. There are three terms. Log 10, 2 log 3. You observe the second term. It is exactly like n log x. N log x. You observe the third logarithmic log. Log x to the power of n equal to n log x. This term exactly like this. We can write this one as log x. Now change our only second term. Write the remaining two terms as it is. Plus, how to change the second term? Log 3 square minus log 2 equal to log 10 plus log 3 square is nothing but 9 minus log 2. Now you observe the first two terms because these two are positives and it's first let's simplify these two terms. They are exactly like the first logarithmic log. We know log xy equal to log x plus log y. Exactly like this, these two terms. So we can write them as log xy as a single one. Now log xy 10 into 90 minus log 2 equal to log 90 minus log 2. The first two terms are simplified. Those are become a single term. Now log 90 minus log 2. This is exact like second log. Log of x by y equal to log x minus log y. As for this second law, we can simplify any logarithms given like this as a single one, log x by y. Here in the place of x 90, by in place of y there is 2. So we can write log 90 by 2 is 45. So this expression changed into single logarithm as log n. So it's not possible to find the value of log 45. Finally, we conclude that log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 equal to log 45. We changed this expression as a single logarithm. It is the quite opposite of expansion of single logarithm. We simplified the many logarithms given as either addition or subtraction. We can change into single logarithm. You understand this one? Thank you.